out of it, and I know the Stampede can do 27. Oh!
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon that's sharp as...
Alright guys, this is the new RC car by Amoril. I mean, it's not new, but it's newer. It's new to me. And this is going to be the first look. Now, I do not have everything assembled on it. It came with a front bumper, a big, huge, honky looking thing, and I don't really care for it, so I might look for a different one. You got came with all kinds of bunch of parts to assemble somehow, and I'm not sure what you do with all that extra stuff, so I'm going to look into all that before I do anything else with it. But it did came with a bag of goodies, and apologize for the wind, but we're going to be doing a test run here, and I'm not going to test to see how fast it goes yet, because I don't know. I don't have the proper equipment for that yet, but I'm going to be, we're just going to test it out, try it out, see what it's capable of doing around here. Let's check out the trim. It's going to the left. Let's see, I'm not sure if that's green gear or not. That's throttle reverse. Oh, yeah, so that's maxed out there, steering rate. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. There's full throttle. Yee, wow. I have to take it easy with this bad boy. Holy cow. Full throttle. I can only do it for a split second though. Holy cow. So anyways, I came across this bad boy on Amazon. Steering to the left. Let's see if I can trim it out a little bit. And I was looking for a new car to mess around with, something to keep up the Stampede. And I came across this, so I started doing research on it, and I found out that Perth West OZRC out there in Australia, he already just gotten this bad boy and he started messing around with it, and he got like a little over 27 miles an hour out of it on the standard 2S battery. Now, this thing is 3S capable, so I'm definitely going to have to save my pennies and get a 3S battery, a couple of them anyways. Just to test it out in 3S and see what happens. Yeah, I don't have quite as big of an area to practice this, to get this thing going for very fast. I'll check that out. This thing is flying, boy. Woo-wee. This thing's ripping, boy. I'm going to have to test this out against the Stampede for sure. So if he can get 27 out of it, and I know the Stampede can do 27. Oh! There goes that. That was the car. Oh, that sucks. At least I got it on film. Alright guys, so that was insane. I don't even know, I haven't even looked at the footage. I don't even know if it was filmed what happened. So I was driving and there's a truck that was pulling out behind me and I didn't know it. And I came flying down the road, and when I turned to follow the car and look, I let off the throttle, and then the car parked underneath the truck. Like the truck was literally sitting on top of it. I have to go. I haven't even looked at the video yet. I'm still in shock. I got to go look at the video here pretty soon. Anyways, so I brought it in. It was all crushed, and like the tire was flopping. I thought it was a goner. I was able to fix it, believe it or not. That truck was sitting on top of this car. So that is an amazing durability test. I fixed it. It broke a screw. I had to put a different screw in. The only thing is I might have to get 3 new wheel hubs for this. But I mean, other than that, this thing, I'm going to show you guys here in a minute. This thing looks fine other than cosmetic, cosmetic stuff here and there. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Let's see. All right, so right here, if you look here, see it's got all these scratches here now. Okay, so this part right here was popped off. I popped that back on. Well, also the axle right here was popped out. I had to pop that back in right there into place. And then this right here, I have to get a different bolt, but this is the bolt that busted off right here. See, it's supposed to look like this. That one busted off right there, so I just threw that in real quick to test it out. I've already tested out this thing. Nothing's hot, nothing's overheating, nothing sounds funny. I mean, the truck was parked right on top of this stinking thing, and it and it's doing good. Like, there's nothing wrong with it other than these wheel hubs. Now I have to replace this wheel hub, this wheel, and this wheel. But other than that, I tried it out. It still flies freaking fast as all get out. So I'm definitely gonna look for parts for this so I can see if I can't put it back together and fix it up brand new again. But as you can see, there is like no damage from the truck being parked on this freaking thing. Holy cow. That scared the crap out of me. I thought I was a goner, but I could still race this thing. Like, I don't even think it did enough to make it stop. But I know if I don't fix those wheel hubs, it'll mess up something pretty good there. But anyways, if you liked what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it. Come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links will be in the description below. If you need to get hold of us for any reason, we do have the email address, and that will be in the description below. And don't forget, guys, just keep droning.